guys, it's Cassie and today I have a luxury unboxing slash haul for you. I'm very excited because we have some pieces in here that I've really been mulling over for a while. Yes, there's a bag involved. We have some new season pieces. We have some pieces that I've picked up in sales. We have Dior, Gucci, Chanel, Loewe, Linda Farrow. All of the prices will be on the screen as they usually are, and if they're on sale, I'll tell you the original price and the price they ended up paying for it. All of the links will be below if these items are available. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here, so head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay, first item. This was one of those moments when you see something and you're like, yep, that's the one. I don't need to think about it. I love it. I'm just here for everything that this piece is serving me. So Mum and I actually went through the same thought process because we both saw it, both tried it on, and now we twin. These are the Matthew Williamson and Linda Farrow, the Gardenia sunglass, and they do these in a number of colours. I spoke about this in my summer must-haves, right? Oh my gosh. Do you see how huge these are? I love it. I love the vibes. They give me a little bit like 70s situation, especially with the colour. These sunglasses scream like, I'm a celebrity, don't touch me, in the best way possible. I'm very here for them, and I also don't have anything like sunglasses like them. I tend to kind of go for similar-ish styles, but I'm glad that I've stepped out of my comfort zone just a tad. Item number 2, again, I spoke about this in my summer must-haves. I saw this on the Loewe Sales Associates in the Loewe pop-up in Harrods, and I was like, yes please, I love it. I love a boxy vibe. But it is basically this huge, oversized, super boxy t-shirt. They're doing it in 3 colours, but this is the one that just I live for. This is in a size extra small, and obviously I will try it on for you so you'll see. These are very oversized, but I'm actually not sure, like, say if an extra small was sold out and you wanted one and a small was available, I don't think there's too much size difference in it that you would look like you're living in a 4-person tent, you know? There's a black version, there's like a pink and yellow version, but this one is just like me, summer, denim, all sodding summer long. And I just love the vibe. I love like the two what's called fonts together, like, I don't know, I just love this. Easy, you don't know what to wear, this and jeans and a sneaker, off you go. Item number 3 is an item that was on sale, and I actually predicted its sale, and I'm glad that I waited because I would have been very annoyed if I'd have paid full price for this and then it went 50% off, which it did. It's this one with the shoulder pads, and it is just, it's got this little like gold titty hoop, that's what I'm going to call it. It's a titty hoop on it, and it just fits perfectly, okay? And I love it, and I don't have a black dress like this. Oh, the way it fits, the way it looks on, I just absolutely fell in love. But it's a good thing that I did predict that it would go into the sale. Usually Versace ready-to-wear, except for like tribute Baroque prints, usually go in the sale. So this was originally 1,360 and it was 50% off, so I got it for 680. And I know that we're just going to live a fabulous life together, you know? Okay. Cast your minds back, not that long ago I did a video, luxury items I regret not buying, okay? And I mentioned a specific pair of Gucci boots. Shout out to Aziza, I believe she works for Gucci in Paris, who contacted me on Instagram and was like, I saw your video, I think I might be able to help you get these boots. And they're also like in outlets. She was like, let me try to get in contact with Bicester, which is an outlet here in the UK, and see if they have your size. I was minding my own business. I got a phone call. Hi, this is so-and-so from Bicester. We have these in a 39. Would you like to proceed? I said, yes. Can you confirm the price for me? I couldn't find the exact original price, but my mum bought these and I remember them being just over or around £1,200. I paid 120 British pounds for these. What a sodding steal. I cannot believe that like whole situation happened. Once again, shout out Aziza. Oh my gosh, I'm so appreciative. For £120, are you kidding me? Of course, I was like, send me that payment link right now. I am not risking losing these again. Oh my gosh. So I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear these and like turn out a look come fall winter, all black in these, and fingers crossed that I'm able to get that Gucci x Balenciaga jacket that I want, because black turtleneck, black leggings, these boots, that jacket, What? She's a Gucci queen. She has been Guccified from head to toe and she is killing it. I see that. That's what I see for my future. That's how I envision it. Okay, next up is another pair of shoes. These are from the Dior Riviera line. I went to the like Dior Riviera pop-up in Selfridges and was like invited for a drink and whatever. And the woman next to me was trying these on. I hadn't even seen these. She was trying these on in the red. And I was like, the style of these shoes is perfect for me. Okay? It's very me. I found out that they did them in a blue and I was like, good morning, good afternoon, good night, sir. Okay? This kind of style is what I love and what I look for in a sneaker. I really like the Dior ID shoes. I'll put a picture here. But there was something, like when I tried them on it wasn't 100% and I'm so glad that I didn't get them because I was very close to getting them when I tried them on, I think like around Christmas time. Oh, this style just calls my name. Cassie. It just calls my name, okay? Firstly, the Toile de Jouy print I've always loved from Dior and all of that. Little woodland in a jungle, possibly. I'm not entirely sure. I like it, okay? So I'm glad that we're already there with that. The other thing is, although this is predominantly white, it's covered in, I believe it's actually neoprene, and it's covered in, like, plastic. So it actually should be pretty easy to keep clean or, like, wipe clean and stuff like that. The other thing was I was so worried about the sizing because the Dior ID sizes are just off for me personally. But I went half a size down in these and they're perfect. So if you are interested, I would say go half a size down. I love them. I'm a denim gal. The blue is going to match perfectly. The blue is such a great, easy shade of blue to match with. I am obsessed. Okay. So we've been on this journey together of when I saw this item, tried on this item, not once but twice, and then finally we've come to the end of the journey where I bit the mother effing bullet. The Gucci multicolour large tote in the green. I absolutely love it. Like, this is just, they do... In the large, this is the only colour that they do in the large size. In the smaller size, you've got pink, you've got blue, and you've also got the normal GG brown Supreme print, right? Not only do I love the colour, and I'm not worried about the colour, like, not being a trend or whatever, because to me, it's a sodding colour. I also am going to use this for very specific purposes. This isn't a work bag or something that I'm going to be using day in, day out kind of thing, and I have to worry about matching. This is travel. And this is also like, if I've decided that I'm going to work from a coffee shop for the day and to take my laptop and stuff like that, right? It's not something that I'm worried about matching with, which, fair enough, if you're going to be using it like as a work bag or day in, day out, then yes, you need to consider that. As we know, I am pretty much going to be replacing my, this is so heavy, Dior book tote with this. The sizes are exactly the same, okay? Like the length and the width and everything else, they're exactly the same. So if you're considering, I'm doing this because it's the easiest way for me to hold both items. So if you're thinking the same and you're like wondering about the dimensions, these are literally the same size. Obviously, another one of the reasons why I went for this one is this extra strap. Now, be aware that the strap is only attached to the back, okay? So it is going to hang off at a little bit of an angle. It's going to like lean on your body. So keep that in mind if that's something that's going to bother you. Also, this is not coated canvas, okay? So like, be aware if you're like, I don't know, you have kids and sticky little hands and all of that. And I'm very excited to get her into use. I haven't even like properly booked a holiday because I said that I was only going to get this if I'm going on holiday. But I was honestly at a point where I was like, if this sells out and then I book a holiday, I'm gonna be like, it's gonna be in another regrets video, okay? So I don't want to be in that situation. I'm not gonna wait until it's sold out. Let me just get it now because I'm going to use it. The other thing is, if you're in the US, I don't think this is actually on the Gucci website, but I have seen it on Farfetch under the men's totes section. So have a look there just in case it's there. The last two items are from Chanel. Now when I went, they were having a little private sale, so I did peruse and I did pick up a couple of things. We have a pair of earrings, okay? You know me, you know I love my costume jewellery, but it has to be statement-y. If it's going to be dainty and everyday, don't buy costume jewellery, go for like fine jewellery. But if you want like a statement, fun thing that you're not going to use every day or whatever, then costume ticks the boxes for me. So I saw these in the sale and I was like, these are cute. I don't have anything kind of like super similar to this in my costume jewellery earring collection, so I thought, why not? They're chandelier-y, they're cute, they're kind of silver with like pearls and diamantes and whatever, so I thought, Why not? I do remember that originally these are around £700 and I got them for just over 400, like I want to say like 410, something like that. And the last thing, and these I really didn't expect to get, like, I really haven't seen very much about them, but I saw them, I tried them on, and I was like, do you want to know what? These are super comfy and will come in handy, and I'm here for the vibes. Chanel slippers, okay? These are all leather, incredibly comfortable, I cannot explain to you. And I was just thinking, travel. Even like for around the house if I wanted to, I totally could. It's got rubber underneath. You know, some of these designer like slippers and whatever are leather on the underneath, and it's like, I don't know what games you're trying to play with me, okay? But I'm not dealing with it, okay? No, we need rubber, thank you. I need the versatility just in case. This is a lot of money to spend on something that I can only use indoors, you know? But anyway, so travel, get it. In my Gucci tote, just like there at the airport, Heathrow Terminal 3. Heathrow Terminal 3 is my favourite terminal. Well, sadly not anymore because all the good shops have closed, but that's a chat for another day. Also, I picked the same ones up for my mother as well, so again, we're matching with two things from this haul. These were $700. I think they came down to like $380, something like that. So again, I thought it was a pretty good deal for a Chanel slippers. Also, they come in small, medium and large. They don't come in like shoe sizes, which I found interesting, but you know, whatever. It does the job. I'm a size 39 and I went for a medium. I'm just so here for the like easiness of these vibes and how incredibly comfy they are. Guys, let me know what was your favourite thing from this unboxing slash haul. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and in the wise words of my father,
if you like it, tell your friends. If you don't, keep your mouth shut.
Mwah. Bye guys.